How to fix Walmart login error. Hey everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial video. If you're having issues logging into your Walmart account, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that the credentials that you're entering are correct. So the phone number or the email address as well as the password that you are entering, make sure those information are correct. Now if this is not the case with you, what you can also ensure is that you have a stable internet connection. Apart from this, what you can do is close the app of Walmart from the recent app list and try to clear the app cache. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, as well as tap on the clear data option. Once you complete this step, try to see if you can now log in. If you are still having issues, then try to look for any new updates available. So just open up the Play Store or the App Store, search for Walmart, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can lastly try out is try to reset your password. Maybe the password that you're entering is not correct, and maybe you have forgotten your password. So you can simply reset your password and then try the new password that you created. So once you follow these few steps, you should be able to fix the Walmart login error. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.